guys, and welcome to another video for Photoshop for beginners. I'm using Photoshop CS6 and today I'm going to show you some very basic editing in images. So let's first import some images. There are several ways to do that. For example, you could go to File, then Open, and from there you can find your files. For me, let's say that these are the two files. By Control, you can select both of your images or however images you have, and then click on Open. And this is just a simple way to upload your images in Photoshop. But then you can also drag your folders, drag your images inside Photoshop, and you will have them, and all stuff like this. So I'm having two images of cats, and let's first just go to this beautiful little kitten. If you go to Image, then you have Auto Tone, Auto Contrast, and Auto Color. These are some predefined options, and if you're a beginner, it's fine to use them. I'm going to start with Auto Tone, and there is a very small change. Maybe you won't be able to see a lot of things, so I'm just going to do it again. Auto Tone and clicked, and the image has slightly changed. If I hit Ctrl Z, I'm going back and Ctrl Alt Z to go in the beginner of the image. So I'm going to History and I just have Open. Right, and now I'm going again on Images, Auto Tone, and you see that I have the Auto Tone here. So I can click on it and I can delete it. Yes. So although the difference is very small and maybe it's not very visible in your computer, still it's there. So now I have the original image, and again I'm going to Image, and this time I'm going to Auto Contrast. I'm going to click on it, and there is not a very big difference here. There is not a lot of things to be in contrast, but you can click on it again, Auto Contrast, and you have like two layers of auto contrast in your image. Again, the difference from the original image is very small, but there is a difference, right? Okay, I'm going to delete these and these by clicking and delete. Yes. Alright, now I'm back to the original image and I'm going to Image, and this time the Auto Color. Here I have a slightly bigger difference. Some things are quite different. Again, Image and Auto Color again, and there is a slightly difference. This is the original one, and this is with the Auto Color that I have applied 2 times. You can continue applying the Auto Color, or you can use like Auto Contrast, and then you can use like Auto Tone. First, you have to have in mind something that you want for your image and then try to apply it. Or if you don't have anything in mind, just play with this. I'm going to continue with another image. Again, it's cut. And this is the original one. I'm going to Image, and we'll start this time with Auto Color. And here you don't have almost anything. I'm going to Ctrl Z, and no, there is like nothing, and Ctrl Y to go again in front. So let's play this time with Auto Contrast, and I don't think there is a lot of contrast here because everything is quite light, white and gray. So here this feels like Auto Tone, Auto Contrast and Auto Color doesn't do anything. So these things will not work for you. Maybe if you had an image with more contrast or a lot of colors, these filters would apply for you better. So although we saw that in this case the Auto Color changed some things, but the auto tone and auto contrast did not change almost anything. Okay, the last thing that I wanted to quickly mention is that if you want to go back, you will hit in Windows Ctrl Z, and this will go back like one step. But if you want to go more steps back, you have to click on Ctrl Alt Z and Ctrl Alt Z and Ctrl Alt Z, and this will go back a lot of times. Alright, so you also have your history, and you can revision and do all the things that you have changed. Alright, and if you want to save your image, then you will go to File and then Save or Save As, but this is going to be in another tutorial. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you learned something new. See you in the next video. Bye guys!